relationship between nested quantifier when both quantifiers are same, like both are universal or both are existential, then we can switch the position, they are equivalents. Like for all x for all y is equivalent to for all y for all x. In the same way, there exists x, there exists y is equivalent to there exists y and there exists x. And if something is true for all, that will be true for some also. Like from for all x, we can derive there exists x. So from all x, all y, we can derive there exists x for all y. And from all y, all x, we can derive there exists y for all x. Both are not equivalent, but if this is true, then this will be also true. If all x is true, then there exists x also be true. If all y is true, then there exists y also be true. So from this we can derive this. For all y is dependent on there exists x, now we can switch the position. So if this is true, there exists x for all y, then for all y there exists x will be true. And here also, if this is true, there exists y for all x, then for all x there exists y will be true. But reverse is not true. Now from this, if for all y there exists x is true, then there exists y, there exists x will be true and both are equivalent. So from this we can derive there exists x, there exists y. Here also from this we can derive there exists y, there exists x, or there exists x, there exists y, both are equivalent. Even from for all x for all y, we can derive for all x there exists y. Here it was for all y, here it is there exists y. If something is true for all, then that will be true for some. And here also for all y for all x, we can derive for all y there exists x, but reverse is not possible. So this is all about equivalence and implication in nested quantifier. These are just one implication, reverse is not possible. If this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.